Hey there, I'm Sarah with WTI. Do you take your craft cocktails very seriously? Then I have found the perfect ice mold for you. So this ice mold from TINANA makes 8 round, crystal clear ice spheres. These ice spheres are dramatic in appearance. They are slow melting, so they are not going to be quickly diluting your drink. The ice mold is simple to fill, and you can remove the ice without any struggle. The silicone is very easy to work with. I just wanted to compare and show you the difference between one of these ice spheres and a traditional ice cube. So you can see how clear these ice spheres are and what they look like when they're inside my glass. You simply fill up the container with water and then place the mold into the container, pressing it gently down. Sometimes I have to top it off a little because I didn't add enough water, but that's fine. You're not going to get in trouble for that. And then you have to just place it in your freezer for at least 24 hours. The ice comes out perfectly clear and round. It's going to melt slowly so it doesn't dilute your drink, and the dramatic effect is second to none. So if you love making dramatic cocktails at home, then you absolutely must add these crystal clear ice spheres to your home bar. Whether you're buying them for yourself or getting them for a gift, you will not be disappointed by how beautiful and easy this ice mold is to use. And that is my point of view.